In this video, I will be finishing the Halo Reach combat knife that I started in my previous video, so if you haven't seen that one yet, I recommend you go watch it. And without further ado, let's get right to it.
The knife is polished up. It's not perfect, but it is pretty good. I don't need it to be perfect because I am going for a rough look anyways. I didn't do the handle because of course that'd be stupid because I'm just gonna put scales on that anyways. So now I'm gonna try my hand at acid etching. I've only done this a couple times for my failed Damascus attempts, but it can't be that hard. Just finished acid etching it and it looks okay on this side, but then this side is pretty terrible. I have no idea why it did that, but I'm hoping it'll buff right out. Yup, it definitely buffed out.
After that, I had to drill the holes in the handle scales for the pins to go in. It was pretty fast because my card is pretty soft.
Just finished drilling the holes, and there is one problem. My handle is too long, so I'll have to trim that down, but it shouldn't be too much of a problem.
After I got the tang trimmed down, I glued the handle together and started grinding it. After I finished grinding, I started hand polishing it, which did take forever, as usual. After I got the handle polished, I started grinding the bevels. I had already, of course, kind of set them before I quenched it, but here I'm just like finishing it. If you like this knife, you can check out my Etsy shop, which is linked in the description. I have a ton of other knives just like it. Well, not just like it, obviously, but they are there if you're interested. If you're interested in this knife specifically, comment down below and I might actually sell it. I don't know though. I kind of want to keep it. After I sharpened it, I had some fun throwing it. I missed like 90% of the shots, but when I did hit it, it was pretty cool. None of the scales fell off, even though it hit the tree several times really hard, so I'd say it's pretty tough. Anyways, hopefully I'll see you in the next one.